Today I'm going to show you how to create a Padlet wall. Once you log in to Padlet.com, you will be taken to your dashboard, and to create a new Padlet, just click on the top right where it says New Padlet, and this will create your wall for you. Now, to make edits to the wall, over on the right hand side you'll see a toolbar, and down at the bottom of the gear that is Modify this Padlet. This is where you'll make all the edits and customize your wall. So the first thing, I'm going to give my Padlet a title, and this is one that I'm going to use for you all to respond to. So the question is, where are you going this summer? And that's my title, and then I'm going to give it a description, and you don't have to do this, this is optional. So upload a photo of your destination. Okay, over to the left, this is a portrait. This image will be associated with the wall. It will show up next to the title if you choose a portrait, and it'll also show up on your Padlets list as the little icon for the Padlet. So I'm not going to do a portrait for this one. The next thing that you can edit is your wallpaper. Your wallpaper is your background, so you can make choose from any of the ones that are here on the list, or you can upload your own. For this purpose, I'm just going to leave it as paper. The next thing is choosing how your posts will appear on the wall. There are three layouts that you can choose. The first one is freeform, and this would be just like if students were sticking a sticky note up on a wall, so there's no consistency to it and they're just kind of putting them anywhere they want. The next option is a stream, and that means that they're posted one underneath the other in the middle, and they just go with the newest one on top. And then the last one is a grid, so this will post it in multiple columns, so it's much easier to see the post. So I choose grid just because it keeps it nice and neat and organized. Next is privacy. This is how you choose who can see it and also who can post to it. So under visibility, you can make your settings here as you can make it totally private, password protected, a hidden link, or totally public. And I usually just do a hidden link, which is what it defaults to. And then anyone who has the link to this Padlet wall this is where you choose what they can do to it. So I usually make it can write. That means that they can view the wall and write posts, and they can only edit their own posts. If you made it can moderate, that means that they can view and write, and they can edit and delete posts of any other students or contributors to the wall. And can view means they can only view the wall, they can't add anything to it. So I'm going to make that can write. And down here under more privacy controls, you may choose to moderate posts. That means that they require your approval. If it's something that you're going to be posting on your website or something that students are going to be responding to, you may choose to moderate posts if you feel like that they may post something inappropriate. All right, and then over to the side, notifications. This will tell you you can choose to be sent emails as people post. The address of the wall, you can change the Padlet address, and I'm going to change it to summer vacation. So then I'll click pick, and then it'll make my URL at the end. It'll say summer vacation. I can also choose to copy this wall. If I wanted to use it for multiple classes, but the same wall that I made, I could copy with post or without post, and then I could have one wall for each block or for my different classes. The last thing in the modify wall setting is delete, and in here you can choose to clear all the posts from the wall without having to manually delete each one, or you can choose to delete the entire wall if you'd like. Another thing I want to show you that is really cool about Padlet is when you're done with it, they have many ways that you can share your wall. So you can export it to an image or to a PDF file, you can print it, you can also embed it into a website, and down here, which will be most useful for our students at Enochville, is the QR code that it makes for you already. So you want to share this with your class quickly. Here's the QR code that they can scan and get to without you having to go and create your own QR code. And it's as simple as that. That's how you create a Padlet wall.